guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do a mukbang. Actually, I don't feel 100%. I was sick Monday night, and then I still went to work yesterday, but I actually have a fever. Right now I'm okay because I took medicine, but I have not eaten anything since last night because I did not feel like eating at all. So yeah, so I ordered Uber Eats because I cannot really drive right now. My body's really aching really bad. So anyway, I have Big Mac, chicken nuggets and fries, and I have iced coffee right here. So let's eat. This is my first mukbang, by the way, so bear with me. So good. This is my first meal because all I've been eating, well, I had soup last night, but all I've been having is medicine and liquids and stuff. Sorry if I look like this right now. I love McDonald's French fries. They are my favorite. Actually, I don't know if some of you has Raising Canes, but I love their French fries as well. So much lettuce. Big Mac. Good. I am so hungry. For whoever's watching this video, grab some food. I bet you are hungry as well. Yeah. So how are you guys doing today? In Las Vegas, it's raining right now. It's very gloomy actually. Wet and cold. But I like this kind of weather. Especially if you're sick. You just wanna lay in bed, relax, and enjoy the weather. Oh, so good. You're not supposed to, well, this is what my parents told me, but you're not supposed to drink like milky stuff or beverage that has milk in it when you're sick, especially if you have mucus. But since I had the fever, my body is asking for cold stuff, so I'm being bad right now. But it's so good though. By the way, what are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? For us, honestly, I'm not a good cook when it comes to turkey. I haven't done it, but it's either we will try or we will just order it. Mm. Mm. Cause I don't know. The story to that is when we first came to the United States, it was around February of 20 years ago, and that was our first Thanksgiving ever with the fam. So my dad was excited to make Thanksgiving feast, but unfortunately we were kind of dumb about it, that since the bird is too thick or too big, you have to at least thaw it overnight or at least one day. We just thawed it like a regular steak, you know, which is like a couple hours. So when we cooked it, perfect. The outside was golden brown, perfect. But when we cut it, you can still hear the ice like that. So since then, we never cooked it. Since then, until I met my husband, that's when I have, you know, eaten turkey again with the fam. But at that time, I think it was my husband's son wife back then who made the turkey. Oh no, actually no, it was his daughter who made the turkey, so it was yummy too. So this year we might cook it, but she actually buy the ham already, so we'll see. Because last year we just ordered sliced turkey already, like, you know, those pre-made already at the Honey Bake. So good. I have ranch here too, guys, but I bought the 2 Big Macs 20-piece nuggets combo type thingy. It has 2 fries and it's like $14. I'll save I think I'm gonna save the ranch for my daughter because she loves ranch. So yeah, this ketchup is from Racing Cane's. I think they forgot to put the ketchup packet in there. My nose is still stuffy, guys, I swear. I look so ugly today. I look so dugyot. I just filmed today with a mukbang because I took a medicine and I feel a little better. I said, why not make the most out of it right now? I should be resting more though, but we'll see. I think I just have to film today. You know when you're sick and you just want oily food? I think that's how I feel right now. Not junk food. Usually, especially with a season like day like this, that's gloomy, cold and rainy, you want soup, you know. But I'm so tired of soup. So tired of it. I've been having soup since, well, since yesterday, but not until I got home and I wasn't feeling like eating at all. So, it's falling apart. I love French fries McDonald's. I'm excited for the holidays. Are you guys excited? I am. I can't wait to decorate the Christmas tree and all that stuff in the house. But it's our tradition that we buy real Christmas tree. Yeah, it gets a little expensive, but it's all worth it, you know. Make your house sound, oh no, make your house smell like pine. I like that. Oh, I'm getting full. Excuse me. By the way, maybe this weekend we're gonna do excuse me, the 2 times nuclear fire noodle challenge. It's gonna be my husband and my not my daughter, my brother. Gonna be them. Unfortunately, we cannot find the regular packets, you know, the one on the bag. You can only find it. I only bought the one on the bowl. Pretty much the same, but I wanted the packets, but it's okay. Maybe when I go to LA, I'll try to look for it. Because here in Vegas, we don't have a lot of Asian markets or Korean markets, so it's a little hard to find. I also did the package challenge. No, not me, my husband did. And man, he did not flinch. He broke the chip. So the video is in my channel, so go watch it. It's really cool. He was sweating on his cheek part, but he wasn't sweating like crazy. But he loves spicy food. But I don't know, like, I've seen videos, people that love spicy food was still, you know, crying because it was so spicy. So it sucks being sick, man, seriously. So yeah. And also, my daughter wants a seafood mukbang. So maybe when I feel a little bit better, or I feel 100%, we're gonna do it. So yeah. Oh, I'm getting full, you guys. I might not finish it, but I can save it for later. Normally, I never finish the nuggets. But I always finish my burger and my fries. But, you know, since I'm sick, I'm not really, you know, feeling it. But I know I have to push myself to eat, because if not, I'm gonna get sick even more. So, yeah. So, to prevent it, always take your vitamins. It's important. And also with me, I got sick because at first my husband's daughter was sick, and then her daughter got sick. Wait, what? No, his daughter got sick, and then the daughter's daughter got sick. So technically that's my step granddaughter. And then my brother was sick. The three of us, me, my husband, and my daughter, was fine. And then all of a sudden my daughter got sick, but it was just flu. Well, actually she started having colds and cough. And then, you know, she still sleeps with us in the middle. So I got sick, but not until like weeks later. It was like a late effect. And then Monday I started feeling iffy. It actually woke me up. And then Tuesday I said no, I can work, you know, I can still go. And then last night when I got home from work, pick up my daughter, no, my body was just feeling it. It was literally like giving up, you know. So then I woke up this morning. I literally have to call off because nothing, got sick. So hopefully I don't want to miss another day of work. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be 100%, or at least, you know, 80%. Oh yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video right now. Thank you guys for watching. This is my first ever mukbang with McDonald's, and thank you for joining with me. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram, angelsbreath84, and you can see my life there. Thank you so much guys, and have a good day. Bye.